Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie back with another video. Today we have an unboxing of something new. I think I know what it is, but I'm not quite sure, right? But we're gonna see. First off though, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. Also, I appreciate everybody that has been subscribed to the channel for a while. If you've been watching me, I did kind of slack off on uploads for a second. Had some things going on here. Again, getting that stuff situated. If y'all watch my live about a week ago on Instagram, I talked about it. But we're getting that situated. It's life, baby. But we will be trying to get back to a regular uploading schedule. Try to get back to 2 videos a week. Will that be tomorrow? I don't know, but we're gonna work on it, right? But either way, right? I come into the shop today. It's Saturday today of me filming this. Watching my UFL. There's no NFL. Watching UFL football today. So, either way. So, I got something in the mail from Stylecraft / Gamma. Also with their collaboration with Barber hood on it. And I believe I know what it is. I'm not sure. So, but I think. But we're going to unbox it. See what it is because I'm ready to put something new to use. I have also some other stuff that I have to get to, but I haven't really tried a lot of new clippers lately. So if this is what I'm thinking it is, then we good, but we'll see. If it's not, then it's not. But either way, either way, this the box that they sent me, and yeah, it's what I thought it was. So I seen this on their website. This is the boosted trimmer, which is dropping in May. So it's the boosted trimmer, another great hair trimmer with a powerful 8,000 strokes per minute. It says with an on and off toggle. Yeah, I should be able to turn it on and off. Assembled with the diamond blade. So I do like the diamond blade. I'd have the diamond blade on my my flex right here. This is one of my trimmers I've been using, and I also have their diamond blade on my clipper, right? So this one will come with the diamond blade. So let's see what is all included, and this is what we have here from Gamma. Again, their diamond blade, 8,000 RPM, the interchangeable legs, the super torque motor. Let me see what they got. It does come with their, this is one of the best, besides the on the money zero gapping tool that I used to use. This has been one of the best zero gapping tools that I have used in a long time. Usually I don't use them, but sometimes when you want to try stuff out, you try stuff out. But either way, you unbox it. They do get the interchangeable lids. How do y'all feel about the interchangeable lids? Like, it's cool sometimes, but is that really a selling point? Like, is that a selling point? We do get the trimmer. We're gonna set that to the side. Most of my clippers and trimmers, usually I keep in all black. I might change it every now and then. We do get the charging dock. So I do like that. It's very heavy duty. It's one of their charging docks that they have. Versus this one, what I've been using for my flex. This is more lightweight. I mean, it got the rubber grips at the bottom, so it's not moving anywhere. But this seems more heavy duty as far as a charging block. You do get the interchangeable legs. You get the gold, and then you get the red. I do like that red and black. I don't change often, but if I do, I might put that red on there, let it match with my Instinct X that I've been using. But this is the boosted clipper, or the boosted trimmer, which is their design of their boosted clipper. If y'all remember that, the boosted clipper came out a little while ago. So yeah, And yes, the boosted duo is Gamma. It's not Stylecraft as Gamma, which same company, different things, whatever. Do get the charging cable, screwdriver, USB cable. You get the oil, some extra screwdrivers in there too. I mean screwdrivers, some extra screws in there. And this is their zero gapping tool. On one side, you got the soft gap where it's not as sharp. And then on this side, you have the aggressive zero gap. So you just put your blade in there. I think I did a video on this on my Instagram, but you put your blade in there, kind of slide it in and tighten it up. But let's get to the body of the tool. The body of the tool. This is the, let me take it off. This is the machine. Oh, it is bulky. It is bulky as a trimmer though. I don't know how I feel about that. It's not like the flex is more of a grip. Like you got different spots you put your finger, you can kind of grip it at a different angle. This is very blocky. This is like their saber trimmer was bulky to me, but not like this. This is very, I don't know, as a trimmer it's kind of but either way, it do got the 360 all around. And this said, oh, where did I just read? Where's the paper I had? Okay, so I was reading it wrong. It says their diamond, I'm thinking it came with the diamond cut blade, but it comes with the black diamond X Pro. So when I was reading it, I thought it was coming with this blade, but it just comes with their regular diamond blade, not the diamond cut blade. So that's on me. I was reading it different. I was about to say, because when I seen that blade, I didn't, but either way, this is the body. Like I said, it's like the boosted. If you ever use the boosted clipper, it's the same design. I'm about to say no power at all, but there we go. It's a little loud. It's louder than the Flex. It's louder than the Flex. It does have the LED charge. It's different. What am I looking for? Anyway, it do got the little light down here where you can see where it's charging. That is a loud clipper. Now, I'm in a suite, so a lot of the stuff sounds a little bit louder, but that is loud. It does look zero gap though, so we're gonna put it to use and see how it works. Let me see. We might be set though. If I can. Although the hair on your head and stuff is a little bit different, but it's cutting. I do have the Type-C on the back right here, charging port. Whew. By the look of it, and I actually don't even know how much this is. I'll look on the website because I did see it on the website available for pre-order. It seemed like something is missing. But anyway, I did see it on the site available for pre-order, so I will put the price on the screen. As far as the look and feel of it, I don't know. It's kind of, like I said, it's kind of bulky. And depending on what the price is, it'll tell me if it's worth it. And it is loud. It is loud. So with that being said, with everything that is already out, a little bit more slim body, more appealing to the eye. This don't look it don't strike you as, oh my God, like it don't look good. Like the flex to me, and this is only my opinion, the flex looks good. I have a different color so you can kind of see. It just, to me, it looks better. It feels better. This is bulky. That's the flex. I mean, versus their saber. You know what I'm saying? So when you have different quality trimmers and stuff out there, a lot comes into play versus if I want to jump from the flex or jump from the saber to jump to this new boosted. But we will put it to use. And I'll swap the blade because I'm not the biggest fan of this blade, so I will swap it to one of the gold blades and see how it works as well. I mean, I'm going to put this one to use, but we will swap it to see how it works. But what do you think? Leave a comment down below. What do you think about the look? Is this something that you're looking for? Do we need another trimmer from Gamma? Let me see what that is. The body style. Of course, I have. It's just blocky. It's just like a block. I don't know. Either way, I'm down in it right now. You know what I'm saying? But we will put it to use. We'll see if it's worth it. And yeah, we'll be back with the review on this very soon. Not very soon. We're gonna give it a little bit. We're gonna give it like a week or two. Really put it to use. See if it's worth the buy. See if it's worth you jumping from whatever you're using. But yeah, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. And are you looking for a new trimmer from Gamma? Do we need another trimmer right now? Should there be more of a gap in between the releases? Y'all let me know. Peace.